The most. What is that? the most.
Ini continue aja, Mister.
Continue nggak apa-apa.
Maksudnya
situasinya beda loh ya. Different situation.
Bukan. Yang tadi ada notif the meeting has been recorded.
Oh iya, lanjut. Oke, buat dokumentasi biasa, setor lembaga.
The most it have, and there is a long brown hair woman. In the mosque behind, and there is two women in the middle of the bus. Dan Mister.
Okay, good. Nah, seperti itu. Okay, situation number 4. Okay, let's check.
There is a man and a woman who talking. Dan
Okay, done. Okay, right. Who is talking? Okay, emang iya sih. Okay, mungkin bisa dikembangkan. They talk about the business. Example. Untuk seperti itu. Jadi nanti enlarging bisa. They talk about the bus. Jadi kayak bikin cerita gitu loh, bisa sih. Gak apa-apa, situasinya kurang enak. Okay, and then situation number 5.
There is a suitable woman and suitable man who talking. Dan
okay, and then this situation number 6.
There is a casual woman and man who drinking in a cup. Dan
okay, right. And then situation number 7.
There is a grandmother who talking about her what?
Grandchild.
About his grandchild, the grandfather.
Okay, good. And then situation number 8.
There's a people who shopping gitu. Itu doang bisa Mister.
Okay, they are. Okay.
There are
many people.
There are many people who shopping.
Okay, who are shopping. Okay, kasih tugas
who are shopping.
Okay, that's right. Okay, boleh. It's okay. So that's a kind of describing. Ya seperti itu nanti kalau nggak salah speaking 3 atau speaking 4 ya saya lupa. Ada describing situation. Jadi konsepnya sama seperti itu dan and we can enlarge. Kita bisa extend speakingnya bisa. Okay. Now we will go to the next tenses directly. So we go into the third tenses. What is that?
What, Mister?
Tenses number 3. Still remember? Setelah simple present, after simple present, and then present continuous. So what is the tenses number 3?
Simple past tense.
No, masih di present.
Simple present.
Present perfect.
Present. Oh ya, present perfect.
Perfect. Okay, so it is the same area, masih sama areanya. Ini masih di kondisi present. But ini kalau diartikan kita langsung terangkan aja. Kita tense number 3 that is present perfect. Okay, number 3. I will erase first. Okay, tenses number 3 that is present perfect. Perfect. Okay, and then apa sih present perfect itu sih kegunaannya? Fungsinya paling pertama yaitu tentang menceritakan. Fungsi untuk menyatakan atau menceritakan kejadian yang sudah dilakukan. Tapi tidak ada waktu tertentu. Jadi dia bebas. Sudah tapi bebas. Example. Example, have you eaten? Sudah makan? Nah seperti itu. And then I have eaten. Saya sudah makan. But I don't care about the time. Saya tidak peduli dengan waktunya. Entah kemarin, entah baru saja, entah entah tadi, ya enggak penting gitu kan. Yang penting kejadiannya sudah saya lakukan, tapi tidak ada batas waktunya. That is present perfect. Untuk fungsi pertama. Fungsi number 1. And then fungsi number 2, function. The number 2 is about ini untuk menceritakan kejadian yang baru saja terjadi. Example, I have just finished my kid class. Saya baru saja menyelesaikan kelas kid. Example like that. Nah, itu fungsi kedua. Fungsinya cuman itu. Untuk formula is about this. Positive. Positive subject plus have or has plus verb 3. Diingat-ingat verb 3. Berarti perubahan kata kerja itu ada 3. Maybe you have studied about that. And then plus object. Example, I have spoken English. I have spoken English. Saya sudah berbicara bahasa Inggris. And then can you give me example, Sam? Satu aja for positive.
I have drink water.
Drink, drank, drunk. Drunk water. Emang kita kalau perubahan irregular dan reguler itu emang wajib dihafalkan, wajib itu kan, karena emang tidak ada jalan lain kalau ini nggak dihafalin seperti itu. Nanti saya kirimin dokumennya. Oke, and then I have drunk water. Oke, kamu sudah minum air. Oke, good job. Oke, and then negatif. Kalau ini berartikan sudah. Sudah. Oke, kalau negatif lawannya sudah, of course belum. Oke, and then subject plus have or has plus not plus verb 3 and then plus object. Contoh lagi yang lebih example. She has swam. Okay. Oh, she has finished the exam. Dia perempuan sudah menyelesaikan ujian. Okay, and then sorry, she has not atau kita bisa singkat hasn't finished the exam. Okay, coba can you give me the example one?
They have not ate the burger. Eaten the burger.
The burger. Okay, good job. Ini berartikan dalam bahasa Indonesia of course belum. Oke, belum. If you want to say saya belum makan, I haven't eaten. I have not eaten. Okay, and then for interrogative tinggal dibalik aja. Have or has. Okay, plus for subject and then plus verb 3. Harusnya besar deh. Plus verb 3 and then subject plus verb 3 and then plus object. Okay, of course question more. Example, have you watched the latest anime? Okay. Apakah kamu sudah menonton anime terbaru? Jawabnya of course yes, I have atau I haven't. Okay, right. Okay, can you give me the example one?
Have you studied for the test?
Okay, have you studied for the test? Okay, right, good job. Okay, the test, yes, I have or no, I haven't. No, I haven't. Okay, just this. Ini kalau memang diaplikasikan memang butuh kebiasaan yang ekstra, gitu kan, kebiasaan menggunakan present perfect itu. Okay, apalagi verb 3 terus dihafalkan. Okay, this is the functions and the example untuk yang sudah dan belum. Kalau baru saja gimana, sir? Okay. Saya baru saja bangun tidur. I have just waken up from waken up. Have just waken up. Saya baru saja bangun. Itu aja cukup. Waken up. Okay, I have just waken up. Berarti just-nya ditaruh ke setelahnya have. I have just. Kalau belum, how to say saya belum baru saja, nggak enak banget. Okay. Apakah kamu baru saja bangun tidur? Okay, turn in. Okay, how to translate this?
Nggak tahu, Mister.
Nggak tahu. Oke, tinggal dibalik aja, Sam. Tinggal dibalik aja. Have you just? Oke. Have you just waken up? Oke. Yes. Oke, right. Oke, coba lagi. Saya sudah. Oke, saya sudah. Oke, wait. Saya sudah Saya sudah melihatmu di TV. How to say in English? Melihat itu
I have seen you in the TV.
In TV. Oke, in TV. Oke, right, good. Oke, kamu. Oke, dia perempuan aja. Dia perempuan. Dia perempuan. Belum mandi.
She has not take a bath.
She has not taken bath. Okay, taken a bath. Okay, taken a bath. She has not taken a bath. Okay, right. Okay, she hasn't taken a bath. Okay, kalau saya balik, sudahkah kamu sudahkah kamu mengendarai mobil itu?
Did you have drove the
Sorry?
What did you have you drove?
Okay, driven.
Oh, driven.
Okay,
good.
Driven car. Okay, right. Okay. Itu contohnya. Berarti sudah sedikit bisa. Okay, untuk time adverb-nya, okay, I will explain for the time adverb. Time signal. Kita bilang time signal. Time signal ada since. What is the meaning since?
Sejak.
Okay, good. Sejak. Okay, and then what is the meaning of what is that for?
Apa, Mister?
For.
Untuk
Kalau di sini kita artikan selama. Oke, selama. Termasuk juga today itu bisa masuk sini. Saya sudah mandi hari ini. Oke, saya sudah mandi pagi ini juga boleh. Today itu juga boleh. Tapi untuk time signal yang emang pasti itu since sama for saja cukup. Kalau sama just. Oke, baru saja. How to say saya baru saja tahu?
I just know.
Oke, kurang dikit. I have just known. Okay, so if you want to say, saya baru tahu, I have just known. Okay, atau I've disingkat I've. That's all. Time signal cuman itu saja. Okay. Contoh, saya sudah menunggu kok saya terus sih ganti dah. Oke, kita sudah menunggumu sejak tadi.
We already wait for you. Sejak tadi. Since before.
Oke, since before. Oke, this is wrong. Oke. Berarti kita pakai masih ke tenses gitu kan. We have waited for you. Waited for you since last time. Tadi itu last time. Ini. Right. Oh ya, termasuk itu. Betul sekali, already. Already ini artinya sudah. Juga yet. Yet itu belum. Oke. Nah, kan mungkin kamu ada pertanyaan ya, Sam. Mungkin present perfect kan udah berartikan sudah dan belum, ya kan? Kenapa harus pakai already dan yet? Nah, mesti punya pertanyaan seperti itu. Kalau dalam present perfect ada kata-kata already sama yet, berarti itu benar-benar sudah. Kalau yet berarti benar-benar belum. Contohnya seperti ini. I have already waited for you since this morning. Kalau kita artikan dalam bahasa Indonesia seperti ini, saya benar sudah menunggumu dari pagi ini. Oke, so that is penggunaan already sama yet dalam present perfect ya. Oke. Terus kalau kamu in speaking ya, kalau speaking kalau kamu bilang sudah sama belum, how to say this? Maksudnya dalam speaking loh ya. Sebelum mengetahui present perfect.
Nggak tahu, Mister.
Nggak tahu. Oke. Biasanya pakai already sama yet doang ya.
Iya.
Ya betul. Nah sekarang kalau sudah tahu present perfect, coba dibiasakan menggunakan present perfect. Tapi the notes, don't say to American. Jangan sampai ngobrol sama orang Amerika menggunakan present perfect, itu aja. Nah tapi for us kita harus tahu dulu karena ini bukan bahasa kita patokannya ke British dulu. Nah ini berarti mungkin saya kirim dokumennya minta perubahan kata kerja, so you can use it. Contoh, saya sudah makan, oke. And then, where is it? Oke, kalau yang yet, I have not eaten yet. Saya benar belum makan. Tuh. Pusing. Sam pusing. Iya. I have not eaten yet. Oke, saya benar-benar belum makan. Berarti tetap menggunakan have. Oke. Confused, Sam?
Lumayan, Mister.
Lumayan. Emang ini di samping simple present yang tambah lagi membingungkan itu tentang perfect. Itu kan. Karena kita biasa menggunakan already dan yet. Itu already dan yet sudah terbiasa. Me too. Oke. I am used to using American. Saya biasa menggunakan Amerika. Okay. But sometimes I use a British. That's it. Okay. Already and yet. Okay. Ini untuk contoh yang penggunaan already and yet. Okay. And then I speak English? Masih ingat ya, change sama move ya. Change into negative.
I haven't speak English.
Oke, I haven't speak English. Iya, saya rubah aja. Kita fokus satu tenses dulu aja. I have spoken English. Oke, I haven't spoken English. Change into interrogative.
Have I spoke English?
Okay, have I spoken? Nah, English. Okay, right, good. Okay, and then again, she has studied English. Change into negative.
She has not studied English.
She hasn't. Okay, she hasn't. She has not studied English. Okay, she has not studied English. Okay, change into interrogative.
Has she studied English?
English. Okay, English. Okay, good job. Kita biasakan dulu aja. And then, what is that? Okay, they have eaten bread. Change into negative.
They have not eaten bread.
Okay, not eaten bread. Okay, change into interrogative.
Have they eaten bread?
Okay, good. Eaten bread. Okay, right, good. Yup. Okay, ini saya tutup dulu. Okay, wait. Hilang. Hilang semua deh. Oke, right, nggak apa-apa dulu. Oke, coba dari lagi, satu lagi. Oke, I speak English. Saya dari present ya, dari present kamu ubah ke present perfect. Bisa? Can you? Coba dulu. I speak English. Move into present perfect positive. Ngelek kah? Ngelek. Saya ngelek.
Aku lupa itunya.
Okay. I speak English. Yeah, I speak English. Change into. Oh, sorry. I speak English. Move into present perfect positive. I speak English. Oke, saya tulis saja. I speak English. Move into present perfect positive.
Present perfect
Positive.
I have spoken. I have spoken English.
Okay, good. Okay, and then saya simple present, masih simple present ya. Okay, do I speak English? Move into present perfect interrogative.
I have interrogative. Have I speak English?
Spoken.
Have I spoken English?
Okay, that's good. Okay, once more. Satu kali lagi. I don't speak English. Move into present perfect negative. I don't speak English. move into
I
present perfect negative.
I have not speak English.
Spoken.
I have not spoken English.
Oke, that's it. Oke, ya itu belum terbiasa berarti. Gak apa-apa, it's okay. Emang butuh pembiasaan untuk present perfect itu. Ini bisa punya dokumen, dokumen tentang irregular verb sama regular. Jadi itu memang wajib dihafal, wajib. Jadi kalau kamu ada printer di rumah bisa di print, ditempel juga bisa. Oke, ditempel bisa. Jadi drilling dari speak, spoke, spoken. Oke, and then fly, flew, flown, blow, blew, blown, swim, swam, swam, run, 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 sit, sat, sat. Oke, sit, sit, sit. Sorry. Oke. Dan banyak banget irregular dan regular. Oke, just it. Oke, mungkin ada pertanyaan Sam? Any questions?
No, Mister.
No. Oke, sudah. Have you been tired?
Lumayan, Mister.
Lumayan.